Let's just have some exercises. Again, plotting 330. Let's go to 30 degrees. 3 units is 1, 2, 3. This is the plot of A. B, it's 4, 150. So let's look at the 150. It's 5 pi over 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is B. C is negative pi over 6, so negative 30 degrees. And then going to the same direction. So C, 1, 2. This is C. And then D is negative 130. So let's look at 30 degrees, but since it's negative 1, it has to be opposite direction. This is point D. Lastly, negative 5, negative pi over 4. Negative pi over 4 is here. Negative pi over 4 is the same as 7 pi over 4. But it says they're negative 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is point E. Some exercises. Give the polar coordinates. Oh, it's special because it has the arc sign. So this is basically a review of what we had with the inverse functions. So let's convert first. Arc sine of 0.5, arc sine of 1/2, that is 30 degrees. And then the arc cosine, square root of 3 over 2, that is, again, 30 degrees. So here, let's just plot the points first. 1, 0. So at 0, it's 1 unit. This is your A. Your B is 2 units at 30 degrees. So 1, 2. This is B. And then your C is negative 3 at 30 degrees. So it's still 30 degrees, but since negative 3, 1, 2. This is your C. Okay, so let's try renaming this. Letter A, it says there, negative radius and positive angle. So for you to have negative radius, you have to go to the other side of it, to the other side. So 180 degrees, positive angle, and then negative radius. So 180 degrees, but it should be negative 1. 180 degrees or pi units. So for letter B, since it says there negative radius and negative angle, so let's go to the opposite side. Negative angle would be this one. So that is 210. The negative counterpart or coterminal angle to that is negative 150. So that means this one would be B, negative 150 degrees, and the radius is negative 2. Or if you want it to be in radian mode, negative 2, negative 5 pi over 6. Lastly, it says there positive radius and positive angle. So positive radius for C, positive radius is just 3 units. Positive angle, that's 210 degrees. Or if you want that to be in radians, 3, 7 pi over 6. Okay?